Hi cuties, today we are going to learn farm animals and its related details. There are so many farm animals are available which helps us in so many ways. We will see one by one. The first one is cow. Cow lives in cow shed. Its young one is called calf and cow gives milk to us. The next one is sheep. Sheep lives in sheep pen. Its young one is called lamb. Sheep gives wool. Here is dog. Dog lives in kennel. Its young one is called puppy. Dog guards our home. The next one is pig. Pig lives in pigsty. Its young one is called piglet. Pig gives steak. The next one is goat. Goat lives in barn. Its young one is called kid. Goat gives meat. The next useful one is honeybee. Honeybee lives in hive. Honeybee gives honey to us. The next one is hen. Hen lives in coop. Its young one is called chick. Hen gives eggs to us. The next one is duck. Duck lives in pond. Its young one is called duckling. Duck gives eggs to us. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe for Buds TV 2020. Thank you for watching.